Taking a look at stock ticker symbol NPHC right now, currently traded at 0022 right now. You guys do have a little bit of a support level there around that 20, but honestly, I think the big one there is going to be at that 20 and then 15, especially if we jump over here to the 30-minute chart. You're going to get a better idea of that. Obviously, over here on the 18th, you guys got up to that top at that 30, just couldn't break through it. You guys obviously did get above it, but didn't end each period at that, above that, but you guys did end up even tapping the high of 34, making that level of support really, really nice there at that 25. Fall through there, back down to that support level right there off of that 20. But if you guys are watching on the 30-minute chart, as a reminder, guys, it is also 10:45 a.m. Eastern. We're doing these live. That's how we find these, are doing these live. So keep that in mind when you're watching us later. Again, we're going to be watching for that break up here at 2.5. I think that 2.5 break will put this one back on the rock and roll stage. But as far as a daily chart, your support and resistance levels are going to be at every 5, 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, 0, 2, 5, and 3, 0. And it looks like, according to this chart, in my opinion, you're going to probably more than likely close between 2.0 and 2.5. And then maybe here within the next day, trading day next week, watch for the bounce off that 2.0. Let this one cool off a little bit here, and then watch for that bounce off there. This one has had a really, really nice move here, and I got to point that out. Coming off that bottom down here around the 0005, and you guys at 0022. I mean, that's big gains here just in less than a month. All right, so keep that in mind. Keep that in mind when you're taking a look. They just don't keep running forever. And then once you realize that, then you're going to open up to opportunities moving forward. 2.5 and 3.0 support at 0020 and then 1.5. In my opinion, uh, 0025 and 20. All right, so again, make sure I'm clear. 0022 resistance at 2.5 and 3.0. Support at 2.0 and 1.5. In my opinion, might go sideways between 0025 and 2.0, then bounce off of those levels. And that's what we're going to be watching for here for NPHC. If you guys follow the stock, I definitely encourage you to check out the description for the link to the NPHC stock message board and discussion forum where you share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors on investorshangout.com. You'll also have access to the Filings, financials, company profile, the time and sales to track every trade. All that stuff's completely free. So again, check out that description. Join Investors Hangout NPHC board, and then make sure you let other investors know what you think about this one. We're going to continue to track this one in the meantime.